What's going on, 100 Gang? It's your boy 100 Gang Nate back again today with the broke ZL1. And right now, currently, I'm preparing to get ready to take it to the shop. So I'm gonna give y'all a little POV ride of me going to do that. But first, I gotta go pick up some oil because I got an oil light. Dog, do y'all hear how fast people be speeding in my neighborhood? Like, dude is doing 50 in the neighborhood. Like, I don't get it. And then when I come out and I pop one of them, they're gonna be mad. Anyway, so we about to go get some oil. I made it all the way from Florida with the front end just like that. Race car 21. Can a Mustang do that? I don't think so. But we're gonna go ahead, take the big Z to the shop, go ahead and get it fixed, get back on the road. I'm having second thoughts of what I want to do with it now. I've been wrecking it so much, I'm just like, is it meant for me? I don't know. Y'all let me know in the comments, but let's go. And oh yeah, if you like cars like these, go ahead and subscribe to the MOC. That's me, Race Car Friends, Cuter Chaotic, and Blueprint When I Leave. And look who it is, Race Car Friends calling me right now. Let's go. All right, guys, picking up some of that oil, because I said we need it. Let's go. All right, 100 Gang, so right now, we in the coupe. We getting ready to drop the ZL1 off. But I just want to give y'all a little POV talk before we go do all that. What can I say, man? It's just another journey and a day in the life of 100 Gang Nate. It's like I wrecked my car for the second time. First time somebody hit it at the Popeyes. Second time, you know, hit a pole, you know. So all I can say is that stuff happens. You know, that's just life. And when it first happened, I was pretty down about it. I was sad, man. I don't know. At some point, I was like, man, should I even continue doing the car YouTube scene thing? But luckily for me, I got, you know, a good group of guys, the MOC, Race Car Friends, Cuter Chaotic, Blueprint When I Leave, and they just, you know, they kept me encouraged and said, you know, keep going, keep pushing forward. Like, when times get hard, it's not the time to give up. It's the time to go harder, you know. And I just want to get that message to all of y'all that's out there right now that might be dealing with anything. You know, when times get hard, that's when you go harder. You don't give up. When times get hard, that's when you go harder. Especially with stuff like this. Like, this is a material that could be replaced, you know. But I even want to get into a more, what can I say, a deeper level. Like, even if you've lost somebody close to you, when times get hard, keep going harder. That person that was close to you will want you to keep going harder. You know, if you may have lost your wife, lost your spouse, you know, lost your best friend, anything, you know, any type of loss, finances, when times get hard, get up and go harder. Like, you gotta find that dog in you. Like, you gotta awaken that beast. And that's what you do when times get hard. And when you get back on top, keep going harder and just be grateful for all the people that's around you. Everybody got one person, you know. That's one thing I'm learning about life. Everybody got at least one person that they can turn to. And if you feel like you ain't got it, just look a little bit closer and you'll find that one person that really just really cares for you. And luckily for me, I got a few people, you know. All of y'all that have supported me, y'all been watching me through the last few months. Like, almost lost my wife to a heart condition, you know, almost lost the Z to life and driving conditions. Almost lost my daughter as well with my wife's heart condition. So, but everybody made it, you know, everybody's here. So what that lets me know is that I'm waking up another day and a higher power or God must want me to be here to complete my mission. And I just feel like I gotta go hard. It's something I gotta do for the people. I feel like I'm meant for something huge. I feel like everybody's meant for something huge, and we all gotta play our roles and, you know, help each other be great. And I just appreciate y'all, like, through this journey, like, y'all coming in the comments, giving me encouraging comments, you know, y'all picking me up. Y'all hit me up on Instagram. Oh yeah, follow me on Instagram, 100 Gang Nate _. Like, y'all just supporting the movement. Like, I saw a lot of y'all when my wife had the heart surgery with the GoFundMe. Y'all was showing love on that, and it's just like, man, I can't even put into words like how much that stuff means. It's like, it's almost unbelievable, because, you know, sometimes in life you feel like you by yourself. You feel like it's just you know, you just feel like it's you against the world. And sometimes I learn what I'm learning in life, and sometimes you gotta let people know what you're going through. You gotta let people know, because it's not you against the world, you know. It's not. You know, you got somebody out there or a group of people out there that care about you. And you got to be willing to speak up and let them know that, hey, I'm struggling with this, I'm struggling with that. And if you see my Instagram, y'all will see I openly talk about, you know, I feel like I talk about my struggles of what I feel like I'm going through. You know what I'm saying? Because nobody's going to help somebody that's just sitting on the side of the road. It's kind of like, you know, y'all seen somebody break down, and it's like when they sitting in the car, don't nobody help them, but as soon as they get out and start pushing, you got like 10 people get out to help them. So same analogy, like nobody's going to be willing to help you until they see you trying to help yourself. And when they see you saying that you need help, they see that as, hey, this dude's trying to help himself. You know what I'm saying? But I just want to tell y'all that I appreciate y'all on this journey, and I just want to give y'all a little POV. And as I said before, the Z still running strong, even though it has gotten a wreck. Y'all hear that? It's still moving like a beast, you know what I'm saying? Race car 21, can your Mustang do that for me? I don't think so. Hey, I think the Camaro game got the engineering. I think out of all the big three, GM, Dodge, and Mustang, Ford, I feel like we got the game locked. You know what I'm saying? I feel like the Camaro's got the best engineering. Y'all let me know what y'all think. I'm pretty sure Race Car 21 is gonna have some opposition to that statement, but that's how I feel. I don't know, but I just want to show y'all this POV right now in Atlanta. As usual, we got traffic, so I'm about 13 minutes away from my destination, and I just wanted to pop up and let you guys know that I am thankful, I am grateful, and none of this movement could be done without y'all. Like, there's no 100 Gang Nate without y'all, and that's literal, because when that situation happened with my wife, if y'all didn't help out, I don't know where I'd be right now. And shout out to Race Car Friends, because he's the one that really pushed me to do the GoFundMe. If y'all know anything about me, I don't even like asking for a free cup. I don't like a cup of water. I don't like asking for nothing. And Race Car really pushed me, Race Car Friends really pushed me to you know, do the GoFundMe and stuff like that. And I know this happened a couple months ago, but I'm just still overwhelmed by the support and love that I feel like I should still talk about it. But we about to go drop the Z off. We're 12 minutes out, and y'all know, like I say all the time, let's go. So guys, right now we at the shop. We at Pablo's shop. Just getting an estimate for all the damage right now. So we're gonna need a new headlight. Gonna need a little front liner. Gonna need a new side fender right here. Gonna need a new liner for this as well. So he's giving me an estimate right now. Thankfully, there's been no damage inside. It's just the damage right here. So we're gonna have to get a new one of those. But I don't know. We're about to see how much it is gonna be. I know for the parts alone, I'm probably looking at least like $2 grand. Probably a little bit higher than that maybe. But let's see. So 100 Gang, the verdict is that to repair it, it's gonna cost me $1,680, and I'm gonna have to get some materials. I think those materials will probably cost me around, I don't know, $2,000, $2,500 maybe. And so I'm gonna get working on that, get the Z back on track, and we're finna go back home with the Z. And when I collect the parts, I'll be right back up here. So it's time to go. Let's go. So guys, we're in the gym right now. I'm about to get it in. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to get it in. Guys, that was one hell of a workout. Man, I'm tired. But I thank you guys for coming on that journey with me today. Hopefully Race Car Friends, Cuter Chaotic, and Blueprint 1 and Lee is in the gym too, because we don't want that clutch foot getting too heavy. Mess around and not double clutch when you should. But I'm outside, and I'm at home. Thank you all for riding with me this journey so far. And if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, that like button, that share button. If you've been with us, I really, really appreciate it. Get your merch up on BehindTheBankClothing.com. And if you like cars like these, go ahead and follow the MOC. That's me, Race Car Friends, Chaotic, and Blueprint 1 LE. Let's go. So guys, right now I'm supporting my nephew at his baseball game. He's right there. Number 2. Let's see him. There going. So you know, we out here supporting. That's my brother right there. He's the coach.
So they out here playing baseball right now. Had to come out and support the youngin', you know. We got future stars in the family, so we had to come out and see what they do. Yeah. I like it. Carson. Hey. Alright. That's Cam. I call him Carson. Carson. Tell us up. He's being shot. So guys, currently my brother's team is winning. Kids are doing very good. They won at 8-2 right now. I don't know if you guys can see that. Hey, he got it caught. Oh, that's my nephew right there. My brother right there. You get him, he got the concept down, you know.
One leg on.
That's it.
That's the test. One leg off, one leg off.
You see Cam? All right. It's right here.
Watch that look. Watch the ball. Watch the ball.
Let's see.
That I will never lose.
All right. There you go. So my brother, they won. My brother and nephew, they won that game. All the kids. Very good. So my nephew Cam came after the game.
Showing your resiliency. No matter how many runs they run in, you guys keep the composure. And we just, hey, we keep running them out, man. I'm proud of y'all. Proud of y'all. I appreciate all the parents, all the support, y'all staying out here. Let's go, man. We got another game tomorrow. Y'all know that, right? Another game tomorrow. Dale's like, no. Yeah, we got another game tomorrow. I believe it's 7:20, right? All right, sure. 7:20. Locust Grove. Yeah. You guys are undefeated. No, it wasn't 43. I mean, when we get back to practice, when we get back to practice, a lot of things we got to work on though. We're giving away too many runs with these infield errors, okay? You guys got to remember, make the smart plays, okay? That's all. But good game, Gladiators. Who gonna bring it? Mason, you gonna bring it in? Mason, bring it in.